Welcome to BioClass, Class 12. Today we are going to discuss medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. Medical termination of pregnancy, um, mm, it is also known as induced abortion. Abortion is, this word is popular. It is came from the Latin word abortio, means stop. Premature stoppage of an embryo by artificial means. An abortion which is brought in intentionally. Hmm. You know that there are several occasion to where you can see that the why MTP. It is because of any cases where the unprotected intercourse, any other case also, show that in some cases there is some problem in fetus, which is a problem to the mother and the child. So in these cases that MTP it is recommended. But you know the unfortunately in our country this MTP, medical termination of pregnancy and abortion, it is done in to female feticide, to kill the girl child, girl baby, girl embryo. Hmm. So, so that is why there are some certain rules, regulations. You can see that the side of your books page it is given that in medical termination of pregnancy, that Amendment Act in 2017, it is told that it is in first trimester, it means 12 week. In 12 week, it is only safe, and if it is done in the 12 week, then it will be safe for the mother. If it goes in the second trimester, then it will be unsafe because you know that the embryo it will goes deep inside, and there will be several problem. So now we have to know that the in this way that we can understand that the sex of a baby, is it possible? According to the report of the sonographic fetal sex determination, we know that after 15 weeks, it is accurate that we can understand in sonographic image that it is male or female. And 14th week that external genitalia can be determined. Now, here the question is that in several areas in India like Haryana, Punjab, UP and Bihar, the where is the male-female ratio is different. In Haryana, 879 female out of 1000 male. It is because of that kind of malpractice. The way the doctors they are telling that the embryo is female, because in that 12 week they cannot understand in sonographic report that it is male or female. So if they are telling female, so that they can earn money, but it cannot be understood in this period, and after that when it is understood, that time it is not safe according to the law. Okay, how it is done? MTP it is done by the oral medicine, surgical process. 40 to 50 million, this kind of MTP it is done in a year in India. Okay, so that we have to keep in mind that social aspect of this process. Next part is sexually transmitted diseases. You know that there are several bacterial and the viral disease, which is mainly it can spread the sexual transmission. Sexual intercourse, which is called that STDs and venereal diseases. Here the gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital wart, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and HIV, I mean AIDS, that is there, and it is written in the latter part. Mm, we know that the bacterial disease is mostly curable, but the viral disease we have to maintain it, otherwise it will, if it is affected, it is not curable. The itching is a main symptom. The fluid discharge like pain, swelling, all these are there. One thing you have to note that the infected female may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for the long time. But afterward, if it is there, I mean, in this case, the huge problem there in pelvic inflammatory disease. It means that pelvic region, it's swelling up, the organs inside that cervix, vagina, all this part will swells up. Abortion, you know that stillbirth, it means the delivery after 20th week, the dead baby, and miscarriage. And ectopic pregnancy, it means that you know that implantation will occur in uterus, uterine wall. If it is other than uterine wall, sometime the ovum may be remain in the nearby ovary, it not entered inside, but sperm comes here and fertilized. Normally, this ectopic pregnancy, that embryo will die, and it creates one critical situation inside the body. Infertility, cancer, all these things are there. Here, some measures, if it is there, you can read that they avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Always use that barrier condom during coitus, and any problem that the consult without any hesitation. You know that the people hesitates most in these type of diseases. Here you can see in the table that you can detect that the bacterial, viral, protozoa, and it can be cured or not. It cannot be cured, but can be managed. What it is, fluid to fluid or skin to skin, what kind of in this table, which is common STDs here. The next part is infertility. You know that infertility, there are several reasons behind it. Here in case of male, you know that here the no sperm cells are produced, or few sperm cells are produced. So some ejaculation problem is there. Ejaculation disturbance, it is there. Age also one kind of factor. So several that based on the sperms count, and the sperms can fertilize or not. In case of female also, that ovarian disorders is there. The ovarian syndromes, polycystic ovary, some tubal blockage, it is very common. So for that female also infertile. Now to overcome that this one, the assisted reproductive technologies, it means that this technology in which that pregnancy will be achieved in that such cases where the problems are there, in artificial insemination and in vitro fertilization, IVF. So here is a little bit discussion is there in AI and IVF. Surrogacy is not there. So we can discuss on that part. In vitro fertilization, here you can see that oocyte retrieval, sperm retrieval, fertilization, and embryo transfer. Here the first part here, the oocyte, how we can collect? You know that some medicine, some hormones, it is used, human menopausal gonadotrophin, after that GnRH, these are injected to the female, follicle stimulating hormone, so that the ovum or oocyte, it can be collected. So here you can see that one section here, that it is ovum collection is there. At the same time that sperm also collected, sperm also collected, and it is washed properly, and few only, the 50,000 only the sperm, it is it is it is kept. Now next in it is fertilized in artificial means. You can see that here the zygote will form, and 48 to 72 hours incubation, that it comes in 8 cell stage, 8 cell stage, and in this stage embryo, it is transferred. So in a special needle, embryo is transferred to the uterine, and progesterone, it is injection is given for 14 days for the implantation. After that, after 14 days, it is checked that human chorionic gonadotrophin, it is released or not. In this way, the success rate is there in 30 to 40%, and take home baby, that is at 20%. Here another two part is there, that gamete intrafallopian transfer. Here 2.5 lakh of motile sperms are injected in fallopian tube to the laparoscopic needle. In that way, if any blockage is there, so that it can overcome. Zygote intrafallopian, here the zygote, it is introduced. The same process is same, only this two different way it is done. And intracytoplasmic sperm injection, here sperm directly injected to the egg. So low number of sperm, low sperm mortality, all this can be overcome. So in this way, that fertilization is possible. Here you can see the different types of ERT and the comparison, and in that way, that here is the end of this chapter and the unit. So in next unit will be the genetics and the evolution. Before that, you have to prepare. This is very important unit, and in this unit only there is some diagram which is involved, that you have to practice. From the beginning, that if you follow all these videos, and you check that everything is explained. If any problem is there, you can connect to me. Okay, thank you.